In this video, we will measure around the perimeter of our square so that we will end up with something along these lines. Just kind of hard to see, but I will demonstrate how to measure 1/2 inch in. So you're going to take your scale ruler and set it to 1/2 inch so that your blue tab is right below the 1/2 inch mark. You're going to line it up on the edge. I'm going to work in Sharpie so that you can see me, but you will be working in a marking pencil. Make sure that you have a marking pencil that is in contrast with your fabric so that you can see it well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to make 2 marks on each side that will act as our guides when we go to make our straight line. This is similar to when we are working with our straight edge and we are creating straight lines on paper. It is very, very similar. So I'm just going to go all the way around here, just making 2 marks for each line. So now we're going to take the straight edge side and line this up with our marks. Counting for the width of our writing utensil. I'm just going to draw that line. I was a little too far in on that one.
You also have to have the products list, and I have a template for that. And if you want to take a spreadsheet, print it, do the makeup design on it.
There we go.
I think hair does usually fall under it. So if you're doing makeup and hair, I'm making hair out of it.
There you go. So this is 1/2 inch in around the perimeter. Next, we're going to set this to 1 inch. And we're going to measure from the top.
No, I'm using, but if you want to do that, you can also use colored pencils. I'm going to use alcohol.
And then we're also going to measure from the opposite edge.
Take photos of them.
And using your straight edge.
Yeah, if you need to borrow one, if you're doing makeup, I have a ring light. Oh yeah, we have several ring lights in here somewhere. So makeup is 3 full color renderings.
And then now you have a square at the top, a square at the bottom. You have this mark here, and we're just going to put an X right here that says we're not going to sew right here, but we will sew here and we will sew here. So that's the first step in creating your sampler, is to create your pattern around the edge. The next video we'll talk about tying off, and then we'll start with the running stitch.